So this is Daphne. She's very excited to go out. Daphne, do you want to go out? You want to go out? Sit. Sit. Wait. But she's a little nervous because here are my boots and there are her boots. Alright, so this is all a little bit experimental since I can't hold the camera and I am the only one here. But we are going to try to put Daphne's boots on her feet. Daph, are you ready? One, open boot. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Pick up paw. Dog looks very sad. Dog does not like this part of the process. Make sure you get those thumbs in there and wrap. You look like I'm torturing you. We can't put this on the internet. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Just for the record, these boots have the same soles that Merrell shoes have. They are hardcore dog booties. Hardcore dog booties, pup. Alright. Thanks for watching. Daph, come here. Come here. I know, who's the meanest mama? Daph, come here. Come here, good girl. This is Daphne looking absolutely miserable. Daphne! This is the worst possible thing anyone could ever do to her. Right, puppy? Are you even willing to move?